ESG versus CSR versus sustainability. Stop using these words wrong. Most CEOs do. I just heard a Fortune 500 CEO say, "Our ESG strategy includes sustainability and CSR initiatives," in a board meeting, and I cringed so hard I almost fell out of my chair. These three terms get thrown around like confetti at corporate events, but 90% of executives use them completely wrong. And it's costing companies millions in wasted resources and confused investors. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what ESG, CSR, and sustainability actually mean, why most companies treat them backwards, and show you the simple framework that smart companies use to connect all three for maximum impact. Number 1. The definitions everyone gets wrong. Let me clear this up once and for all. Sustainability equals the goal balance people, planet, profit, the triple bottom line. Long-term thinking beyond quarterly earnings applies to everyone. Companies, governments, individuals. Think, can we do this forever without destroying something? ESG equals the measurement environmental, social, governance metrics. Data that drives investment decisions, risk management framework, numbers that investors actually care about. Think, how do we measure if we're being sustainable? CSR equals the action corporate giving and community programs, ethical business practices, doing good initiatives. The actual stuff companies do. Think, what are we doing to be responsible? Here's the simple way to remember it. Sustainability is the destination. ESG is the GPS. CSR is the vehicle. Most companies treat these as three separate departments. That's exactly backwards. Number 2. Why most companies do this wrong. I see this mistake everywhere. The wrong way. What most companies do. CSR team runs charity events. ESG team creates reports for investors. Sustainability team sets vague net zero goals. Nobody talks to each other. Resources get wasted on disconnected initiatives. The result? Companies spend millions on programs that don't move the needle on any meaningful metrics. Real example, I witnessed. A tech company spent $2 million on a tree planting CSR program, but their ESG report showed increasing carbon emissions because they never connected the dots. Investors saw through it immediately. The smart way, what winners do. Use ESG data to guide CSR programs, align CSR actions with sustainability goals, measure everything for investor transparency, create integrated strategies, not silos. Number 3. The framework that actually works. Let me show you how this should work using a real example. Our company case study, Bioeconomy Solutions. Step 1. Define the sustainability goal. Net zero carbon impact by 2030, support rural economic development. Create regenerative business model. Step 2. Identify ESG metrics. Carbon sequestered, environmental. Jobs created in rural communities, social. Transparent reporting and ethical partnerships, governance. Step 3. Design CSR actions, plant Paulownia trees with farmers. Provide technical training and support, share revenue with local communities. The connection, CSR action planting trees. Aero ESG metric, carbon sequestration. Tracked Aero sustainability outcome, net zero goals achieved. The result, every dollar spent on CSR directly improves ESG scores while advancing sustainability goals. Investors love it, communities benefit, and the planet wins. Number 4. How to fix this at your company. If you're in corporate leadership, here's your action plan. Week 1. Audit your current approach map, all CSR initiatives. List all ESG metrics you're tracking. Identify your sustainability commitments. Week 2. Find the disconnects. Which CSR programs don't improve ESG scores? Which ESG metrics don't connect to sustainability goals? Where are you wasting resources? Week 3. Create integration. Align CSR spending with measurable ESG outcomes. Connect ESG metrics to sustainability targets. Create cross-functional teams, not silos. The bottom line, stop treating these as separate concepts. They're three parts of one integrated strategy. Connecting the dots. Most companies are burning money on disconnected ESG, CSR, and sustainability initiatives because they don't understand how these concepts work together. The companies that figure this out first will dominate their industries, while others waste resources on corporate theater. If you're working on ESG, CSR, or sustainability strategy, subscribe for more frameworks that actually work. I break down the strategies that smart companies use to create real impact while improving their bottom line. And drop a comment below. Which of these terms does your company confuse most often? Let's fix this together. Remember, sustainability is the destination, ESG is the GPS, CSR is the vehicle. Use them together or watch your competitors leave you behind. Contact bioeconomysolutions.com and book confidential call with us about your program and how we can help.